In this video, we're going to explore a solo drill that takes us through a variety of dominant positions should we find ourselves in a fight that goes to the ground. Let's check it out. Hey Ninja, Michael here with Badass Mindset. If you like quick informative videos that encourage you to develop, improve, and defend yourself, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload. So in this video, I'm going to take you through 8 dominant positions if we should find ourselves on the top when a fight goes to the ground. Okay, now this is building off of the 5-star position Jiu Jitsu drill. I made a video about that before. I will link that on the cards right up there. So check that out if you haven't yet. So building off of that, we're going to go through the first 5 steps. We're in side control right here. Then we are going to go to Katami, where we do a sit through underneath our opponent's armpits. Then we're going to step over and go to north-south position. Then we're going to do a back step and go to Katami on this side. From here, we're going to bring our right leg under and go to this side control position. Now here, what we're going to do, the next 3 parts, we're going to do a sit through. So our left foot is going to go under here. And we're going to put our ribs on their hips, putting pressure right there. Then we'll drag their knees to the side and step over. You're going to mount position like this. So we're on their hips and their legs would be coming out here. And next we're going to do a back step, bringing our left foot over like this. And again, pressing our ribs into their hips and stomach area, putting pressure right there. So one more time. Side control. Katami. North-south. Alright guys, I hope those positions help you. If they do, be sure to hit that like button if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to be a part of your journey, so please do. And until next time, stay badass.